So a couple things. One, boy, sushi is a little bit harder than I thought it would be. You know, I'm beginning to realize that these videos just this past week I've been editing the sushi video. I was also getting headaches and nauseous at work. I got this thing on Facebook. Eventually figured out my oven was giving me carbon monoxide poisoning. Since then, the gas has been turned off and the oven has been unplugged.
Look how they massacred my boy.
So after talking to my passive-aggressive landlord, I was supposed to get a new oven yesterday, but there's been a bunch of snow, so they couldn't deliver it. And I actually just got another notification saying that there's going to be more snow here. So I don't know when I'm going to get an oven and a stove, you know, obviously. And so I don't know when I'm going to be able to make something that's not in my microwave or rice cooker. Problem solved, right? It's off by like 1. I also made some spice cookies from Chef John. Woof. That was woof.